Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for gambling casino affiliate, this video is exactly for you. I have a good theme with me called Mercury, and in this video we are going to install Mercury WordPress theme, and we will also preview the demo, content import options, and the theme optimization and customization options. So Mercury is a theme for affiliate who are willing to make websites, affiliate website for casino, gambling and other niches, and it is a very popular theme in this category, and it was developed in 2017 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done, and this theme has got very wonderful number of sales during this period since it has been developed, and it has been developed by Space Themes, and they are elite authors. If we talk about the demo website, there are multiple demos available in this theme, and you can choose any as per your need and choice. I'm going to give the link of these demos in the description of video, so you can choose any, and I'll also show you one or two demos. This is the one of the demo website using Mercury WordPress theme, and it is of course having a niche and to the point approach during the development, and it has covered all the necessary features which gambling or gambling news website requires, and it has got very wonderful speed and this so this is going to be another advantage. This is the another demo website of Mercury WordPress theme, and this is the third one. So there are many, you can choose as per your choice, and these are the gaming links and all you can use, and features are available, so it is good enough to choose for your website. This is why it has been brought on the WP Themes channel, and this theme is available in the wpthemes.co.in website. You can just simply follow the link given in the description of this video, and now we can start the installation of Mercury WordPress theme. For this I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 default WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have child theme, licensing and the main theme file, and let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload themes, choose file, and here you need to choose Mercury version 3.6.3, whatever version is available with you, and this is the latest version available with me. This zip file has to be selected, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file to the WP themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I'll be able to show you the theme file size. It is very lightweight theme. It is just in KB 277.63 KB in size, and it is really a very lightweight theme, and this is why it works very fast, and it is going to be give you extras for your website. And extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Mercury folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here, so we can simply delete the zip one. It is not required now, it is just consuming the server space, and we can go back to the theme section of WordPress. Now we have Mercury as another theme options. So this is Mercury version 3.6.3 and by Space Themes affiliate WordPress theme, and you can activate it. Upon activation we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins for running and using this theme, and at this stage we shall go for the installing plugins, and these are only 3 plugins are required for running this theme, and Yoast SEO is just a recommended one, but I'll install all the plugins as I need to show you all the features. I'm choosing to install all plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any errors. And now all the plugins has been installed, and now we can activate the installed plugins in one go. Now it is fine, and since we have installed the themes and plugins itself, so we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. And this is the basic look of Mercury WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And at this stage, for creating a website like any of this demo website, so we need to import the demo content. We shall go for the importing the demo, and now we can explore the options where the demo content importer is available. And sorry, and this page anyways, so we can simply delete this part and go to the WP admin part. And now I'm looking for import demo. This is laying under the appearance section, so import demo data is here, and we have all the choices as per our need and necessity. So we can choose any here for importing the demo. Out of 10 demos are available here. I'm simply choosing the first one, considering this one as default, and clicking on import demo. Before we import your demo, we ensure the experience installing the following plugins is strongly recommended. Okay, fine. So WP forms and monster insight, all this, so it is not required, and we can continue for import. And now import is going on, and I believe it may take a few minutes, so don't refresh or leave this page. It is a necessary activity for creating the demo website like given the demo, so we have to be here until it gets complete. Now import has been completed with some warnings, but it does not matter, so it is some language like things. And now we can take a look of our website, and this is the outcome website and this activity, and we got a wonderful website of course. And the demo images has not been exactly given, but of course we don't need the demo images. Ultimately we are going to use our own images for our website, and this is the fine working website with us. In this activity we got a wonderful website, and now casino and all such games features can be configured. Now I'll show you the theme options. Since we have completed the installation, I'll show you the theme options. Let us see what we got additional in the WordPress installation. These are casino settings, casinos options are here. So this is basically a gambling and gaming website, so we can use these features for adding casinos. And in casinos there is casinos, add new categories, software, deposit methods, withdrawal limits, restricted countries, licenses, language, currencies, device, online, all casinos like things can be set from here. So I'm not very much aware about all such things, but if you are in plan for making a website, these features are available, so all features can be used for your website as well. So no need to go for any additional plugin. If you have chosen this website, I mean this theme, you will be getting all the features. Games are here, so we can add games, new and game categories, vendors are here. Bounces, I don't know what is it, but it is here. So I'm just showing what we got in the installation. And bounces, add new categories, and ACES, gambling, this can be the main features I believe. And casinos and title of casinos and all such settings can be done from this screen. And games are here, and points and geolocation. So okay, so all settings are available. Rest of things are common as in WordPress. And now I'll show you the theme options. What is Mercury theme, and this is the only for showing the licenses, and this is the valid license, of course. So all sets are here, and just in case you want to edit the content of website, just click on the edit item, whatever page you want to edit, and you should be able to edit the content of that particular page. It is very simple to use, and even a non-technical person can easily make a website using this theme, of course. And it has all the features available with it, and it is simple. As you can see, it is simple. Text editor is there, and you can choose to edit to anything. And just in case you want to edit the home page, you can simply use the edit page option, and all the things, since all the contents are being uh, displayed from the post or the relevant sections, so you don't need to edit much on it, and everything will be fine. And you can choose, of course, any demo website for your um, upcoming website. So whatever you suits, whatever the demo website suits you better, you can choose any. So casinos are games, bonuses, news, and other things are available. So of course this is a good thing, and I believe this video remained helpful for you. And just in case you have any question, you feel free to write in the comment section of this video, or you can directly interact with me in the following the link given in the description of this video for interacting directly with me, and I will definitely try to help you out for your questions. And the theme is also available there, and of course you can get the theme as well. Thanks for watching.